So let's talk about the Qibla direction in North America, particularly in places that are very westerly, for example, California. We could also talk about Hawaii, which I think is right here, but I think you're going to find that Hawaii is along the same direction as California in a second. Here we have California in the center. We're going to just scroll the globe and turn it till we see Mecca, which is right here. Let's align it so that the direction between California and Mecca is aligned with the horizontal. And the reason why we do that is, the sphere, the globe is a three-dimensional object, but we're looking at it on 2D. So to accurately represent the directions of a three-dimensional sphere in 2D, we got to align, the great circle with the horizontal or the vertical. That ensures that we're kind of looking down on the arc and that the line that is represented by it corresponds to the actual arc. If I scrolled and looked at the direction like this, if I just draw a straight line from California to Saudi Arabia, it wouldn't be representative, especially if I did something like this. And I said, oh, California, the direction to California to Saudi Arabia is that way. It's starting to look even easterly. Even if I did like that, it starts to look like southeast. But that's inaccurate because you're drawing a straight line along a path that's actually not projected as being straight on a three-dimensional object. Hopefully that's clear. You got to bring it down to a horizontal. I could rotate it vertically, but it's a little bit difficult with the Google Earth. So there we go. And we can see that the direction from California to Mecca is northeast. The Qibla direction in westerly regions of North America, even in Mexico, and even in places in Canada, Western Canada, is going to be northeast. Again, North Pole is here. So relative to the North Pole, we're going to be looking in regions of California, it's going to be northeast. If I was in Greenland, which is kind of right, it's along the same direction as California, but relative to the North Pole being right here, Greenland, you'd face east. But relative to the North Pole, in places such as California and BC, it's going to be northeast. The point that I'm trying to make is that westerly regions of North America are not so west so as to change the direction. When we start moving to places like Australia or even Hawaii here, maybe I'll make another video on Hawaii, the direction might change. Although Hawaii, you can kind of see, maybe I'll make a new video about that, but I think it's going to be, let's see if I can change this. There we have it. Let's pull it down. I can't really do it. That might be a little bit tough. Maybe I'll make a different video on Hawaii and its direction. But for places in western regions of North America, the Qibla is going to be northeast.